So you want to set up purchase tracking for your Shopify store. There are multiple ways how you can do that. The easiest one is to use the Google and YouTube app in Shopify and just connect it to your analytics and Google Ads. This will automatically import your purchase event and add to carts in Google Ads. If you do not want to use it and go for another way, there are two more ways how you can set it up. The first is using GTM, and the second is using a backend code. So in this video, I'll take you through how you can use code as a non-technical person, which most of the marketers are. So this code that I'll share is the one that I've been using for my clients. So the first thing we need to do is set up a purchase event. So as you can see, I've already set it up. I'll just take you through it once more so it's very clear on what kind of settings you need to select. So first you need to go on website, put in your website and then scan it. Then what you need to do is you need to create a manual conversion action instead of an automatic one. Here select purchase, enter your conversion name which can be website purchases. So why I recommend going for a code instead of the Google and YouTube app in Shopify is because sometimes it glitches and it stops working in the middle. So it's always good to have something in backup. You can use this either as a backup or you can keep the Shopify as a backup. That's completely on you. I would say keep this code as your primary action and keep your Shopify app conversion as a secondary. So yeah, this is done, and then use different values for each. So if you have multiple products which are all different values, you need to select this. If all of them are the same value, you can go for this setting. So we're going to use this one. Enter default value, so your average order value can be entered here. So let's suppose I am 800 here, and then keep this on every because you want to track all the purchases. The click through window needs to be long enough, so 90 days. I'm going to keep the engaged view window also for 30 days and the view through also for 30 days. Once this is done, we're going to select enhanced conversion and it's ticked on, and then click on done, and then click on save and continue. Now you have a code here. So the first thing you need to do is set up your Google tag on Shopify store, and then we are going to set up the purchase event. Just a side note, if you already have your Google and YouTube on Shopify and you have connected it with Google Ads, it will add your G tag code directly in the backend. So you don't have to again go and add this. You can just add the event snippet. So for now, I am going to tell you how to set both of these. Just go on setup. This is your G tag. Just copy this. Go to your Shopify account. Click on online store. Your live theme will show up here. Click these three dots and select edit code. Select theme.liquid, and you can read here you need to paste this code immediately after head element. So this is head, and paste and save it. This will add your G tag on all pages of your website. Now on your checkout page, we need to paste this G tag code along with the purchase event snippet. For that, we're going to go back. Once this is done, you can test the installation if it's already there on the website. I already have a G tag, so I'm going to skip this. And now click on see event snippet. So select page load, and this is the script that is given for tracking purchase conversions. But this is not what we're going to use. We will use this script that I have, and I will put it in the description below so you can just immediately copy and paste it in your account. What you need to do is copy this whole script, go in your Shopify account, click on settings, and we are not going to go on checkout because as you can see on your checkout page, this additional script section is being deprecated and it will be replaced by customer events. So you can simply click on customer events, or if you see a pixel button there, just click on that. Or what you can do is here you will see customer events, add custom pixel. You can name it Google purchase code, add pixel, and here you will just paste whatever has been copied. Now go back to this sheet and you will see yellow highlighted section. Here you need to use your own Google Ads ID. So for that, go to your account. Here in this event snippet, you will see AW and a code. Just copy that, and wherever you see AW, you need to paste it. So one is here. The second you will find on the 10th line, and on the 21st line, what you need to paste is this whole thing instead of just the number. So just paste this whole thing. So that you've set up the Shopify purchase tracking as well as enhanced tracking. So this code that you see here, this will do your enhanced conversion tracking as well. And you can save this code. You will literally set this up in not more than 5 minutes. And just one thing again, I will repeat, if you have your YouTube and Google in Shopify, don't copy the code again in your liquid.theme, right? You can skip that step and just do this step. And if you don't have that, then you need to follow the whole video that I did. Yeah, that's it. Your enhanced tracking and purchase tracking is done. You'll be able to see the data here within 24 hours for your purchase event. And yeah, I hope you found it useful.